student, I am Himakshi Surti from Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya. I am here to present a social study video for class 4. First of all, I request all the students to note down this given link on which you will get an assignment, videos, worksheets and test papers. Students, we have already studied the chapter Northern Mountains. Today we are going to learn about the textual exercise with answers. Let's start with the textual exercise of Northern Mountains. The first question is of multiple choice question. Number 1. Orchards and tea plantations are found in dash. The options are given: Himadri Range, Shivalik Range, Himachal Range. The correct answer is Himachal Range. Second one, the main source of income in Himadri Range is. The options are plantation, tourism and animal rearing. The correct answer is tourism. The main source of income of Himadri Range is tourism. Number 3, Karakoram Mountain Range lie to the dash. The options are northeast of Himalayas, southeast of the Himalayas and the northwest of the Himalayas. The correct answer is northwest of the Himalayas. The second question is of fill in the blanks. Number 1. The mountain range in the northeast of India are called dash. The answer is Purvanchal. Number 2. River Ganga originates from the dash ranges. The answer is Himalaya ranges. Number 3. Dash is the long skirt worn by the woman in Sikkim. The answer is Baku. Number 4. The dash protect us from foreign invasion. The answer is Himalayas. Number 5. The dash are the lowest and the narrowest range in the entire Himalaya range. The answer is the Shivalik. Now let's go to the next question, question number 3. This question is of matching the column A with column B. Let's read out the option given in column A. Number 1, Himalayas. Number 2, Purvanchal Range. Number 3, Himachal Pradesh. Number 4, Sikkim. Number 5, Kullu. The options given in B column are A, Baku, B, Dashera, C, 3 parallel ranges, D, covered with thick forest and E, Rohtang Pass. Now let's see the answers. The number 1, Himalayas get matched with C option, that is 3 parallel ranges. Number 2, Purvanchal Range gets matched with D option, covered with thick forest. Number 3, Himachal Pradesh gets matched with option E, Rohtang Pass. Number 4, Sikkim gets matched with A, that is Baku. The Sikkim woman wears the long skirt called Baku. Number 5, Kullu gets matched with option B. The festival celebrated in Kullu is Dashera. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is meant by the word Himalaya? Name 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas. The answer is, the word Himalaya means abode of snow. The 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas are the Greater Himalayas means Himadri, the Lesser Himalaya means Himachal, the Outer Himalayas means Shivalik. Here the picture of all the 3 ranges are shown: Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Question number 2. What are dunes? Give an example. The answer is dunes are the narrow valleys located between the Shivalik range and the Himachal range. The example is Dehradun. Here the picture of Dune Valley, Dehradun is shown. Question number 3. Why is Himachal range of the Himalayas famous? The answer is the Himachal range of Himalayas is famous for they are the source of rivers like the Ganga and the Yamuna. They control the climatic condition in India. They provide shelter to wildlife. There are many hill stations there. Question number 4. How would you summarize the life of the people in the Himadri region? The answer is A. This region is very cold throughout the year, so the life of the people is very difficult. B. They keep kangri, a small earthen pot with burning coal to keep themselves warm. Main festivals celebrated by them are Eid and Shivratri. C. Tourism is the main source of income for the people. This place is also famous for its orchards. Here the picture is shown where the people has worn the dresses and inside the dresses they are keeping the kangri to keep themselves warm. Question number 5. In which range of the Himalayas do you think crops are cultivated? Give reason. In Shivalik range of Himalayas, crops are cultivated because of low ranges and suitable climate. Shivalik range is located in the lower range and it has a suitable climate to grow crops. The picture of crops are shown here. Till here we have discussed about the question answers and the textual exercise. Now let's do map work. On an outline of map of India, mark and label the following things. Now I will show you student how to locate all these places in the map, Indian political map. The first 3 ranges of Himalayas, that are Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Second thing, hill stations of the Himachal range. Some of are mentioned here which we are going to show in the political map of India. Shimla, Manali, Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling. Number 3, highest peak of Himalayas. The most 2 highest peak are the number 1 Mount Everest and the second one is the K2, that is Mount Godwin Austen. It is the another name of K2. See this map, the first line shows the Himadri, second line Himachal and the third line Shivalik range of Himalaya. These are the name of the hill stations: Manali, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling. These locations are of hill stations and the another 2, the highest peak of Himalaya are Mount Everest located in Nepal and K2, the Godwin Austen, Mount Godwin Austen. This map will clear the idea how to locate all these things. In this map I have shown you the 10 locations, that means 3 ranges of Himalaya, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. So you have to draw a line like this to show all the 3 ranges and you have to show 5 hill stations: Manali, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital and Darjeeling, and the 2 highest peak K2 and Mount Everest. So student, I think this will clear the idea of map work. Students, I hope you have followed this video. You have followed all the answers which are clearly explained to you. Try to note down all the answers in your notebook and practice for the map book by locating all these places in the India political map. Thank you for watching this video. Stay at home.